Hi guys, good morning. Today's a vlog day and roommate is still sleeping. Oh no, how did I wake him up? Yeah, just gonna vlog and yeah, just gonna vlog. Good morning, Bunny. Good morning. Good morning, my bunny. Did you sleep well? Are you still being sleepy? You sleep okay, my good puppy. So my morning routine in the kitchen is pretty fixed. My dad already makes the tea because he wakes up first. So just gotta like heat it and mix it and start the washing machine. That is pretty much how I start my mornings. Before I sit down to work, I have a new routine. I stand on the balcony, get some sun with my tea, and get my vitamin D in, and then sit down to work. There's no sun, folks. It's a foggy, smoggy morning in Bombay because it's cold. Yeah, I know all the Delhi peeps are laughing right now, but this is winter for us, guys. The email situation is out of control. 1700 today. I don't know when this is gonna get done. It's just scary. We don't have a lot of time right now. I'm just gonna quickly do some mails. Then I've got to take Marzipan down and take him to the vet today again to get him checked again. So yeah, it's a busy morning. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaeton pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir. You wanna go in? You wanna go? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Mazi. Good boy. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I am back and my little bunny is doing better. Thankfully, that's what the vet said. I really couldn't film inside. I can never film inside the vet with mask because I have to pick him up like a little baby and hug him because he's petrified of going to the vet. No, Bunny? Bunny feeling better? Yes, Ma Banu. Ma Banu want khana? Let's go feed Bunny some khana. Come. Maza, you a bigdela bacha? Hmm? Are you mummy's ladla? Mummy's bigdela ladla? Okay, folks, khana is done. I thought I would do a quick unboxing of my mail, and my chief mail officer is also obviously here, fed and happy, and just ignore the bed as usual. The rest of the room is very, very clean. It's just my tripod. Clean, 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 clean. So yeah, just gonna quickly unbox some parcels, and then there's this reel I feel is really relevant to like the Mumbai winter right now that I really want to shoot. I thought of it this morning and was like, oh my god, I might shoot this afternoon. So yeah, after that we're probably gonna do that and get some lunch. So we have two exciting gifts and one Amazon parcel which is also exciting. It's yummy. So I ordered some nimbu ka achar in organic olive oil. The oil has leaked a bit so I don't want to touch it right now, which is what I ordered, which has come in. And Alicia D'Souza sent me this beautiful box with lots of goodies inside. We're going to open that. And then my favorite DK has sent me something. Let's see what we have. So this is Dhruv's show invite, and this is the cool tote that even Mars loves. Okay, up next we have this gorgeous box from Alicia, which has the most amazing things. There's her calendar, which is really, really pretty, I'm sure. Oof. This is so cute. Look at it. Oh, how cute are these? There's a little tiny like 2022 planner. There is, oh, stickers. This is what I live for, guys. My planner is always full of stickers. And this is her gorgeous planner. Like, how pretty is this? A beautiful desk calendar with some postcards and some letter writing paper as well. Thank you, Alicia. These are all so beautiful. Can't wait to use all these. And thank you, DK. Okay, so for lunch I'm having like a mishmash of things. We've got leftover kimchi fried rice, some South Indian, some sambar, dosa, chutney, and sukka mutton. It's all yesterday's stuff that we have left over. The cook hasn't come today. Korean and South Indian might seem like a strange combo to you, but to me it is totally normal. Okay, so I'm ready to shoot my reel. I've got all my winter stuff here and gonna quickly shoot it, and it's gonna be a short as well, so you can watch it here. It will be uploaded, I think, by the time this goes up. So yeah, it's quite funny.
I've been thinking about you. 아무리 고개 흔들어도 난 네 생각만 하고 있을 뿐. 아무리 딴짓해봐도 난
Mumbai cars in winter. Oh well, I have not worn my winter stuff in like what, over 2 years. I think 2 years. Last time I wore it was Delhi. Yeah. Someone's at the door. Should I open it like this? They'd be like, where the hell is she going? Or what is wrong with her? But no. Okay. Okay, folks. Time for some evening caffeine. My batti is a bit... So lately I've been having coffee in the evenings and tea in the mornings, just like mixing it up a bit. I ordered this coffee from like the supermarket, and guess what? It's Korean. It's made in Korea, guys. Everything like Korea is like calling out to me, screaming at me. Just gonna use my coffee mug maker. Remember this? Like my best friend Nandini had given it to me for my birthday. Not last year, the year before that, or was it last year? I don't know, but I use it whenever I make coffee at home because it gives you like a cappuccino-y type finish, and it's yummy. So we're gonna take some coffee, 2 spoons, and put that in. Then we're gonna put some milk in. Let's put it in and press the button. That's all. It's really great for like a cappuccino at home. The only hiccup is the mug is a bit small. Like if you have a big cup that you want to have, like it's a takeaway mug, so you can just take the mug. But if you're someone that has a big mug like me, you need to do it twice to get like enough coffee for like this whole mug. So yeah. Guys, scary chef Sherry is here. Someone sent me a chef's hat in a PR package, and I'm just very excited. I was like, I have to wear this. So yeah, I didn't really cook any dinner today because we had yummy idlis and uttapam, which Lakshmi made. You guys remember Lakshmi from my vlog when she made like the yummy South Indian food? She's not a cook, but she makes the most amazing yummy South Indian food. So since the cook didn't come today, she was like, I'll make stuff, and I was like, okay, great, yay. So scary chef Sherry was off duty for dinner, but now I'm gonna make my halwa. So again, this is not a detailed recipe of the famous halwa that I made on Instagram, which you guys have loved. Last time a lot of you asked me, actually like suggested in the comments that I should put milk, and that's going to make it even better. And then a lot of people said they do use milk even on Insta, so I was like, why not try that? So that's what I'm gonna try today. So this could fail miserably or go really well. Last time was the best halwa I had ever made, so let's see how that goes. If you want the detailed recipe or the original recipe of the halwa with pani, we'll link it here. This is gonna be like a whiz pie, and we're just gonna try it with milk and see if it's any better. So if you watched the last vlog, you already know what you need: some besan, some jaggery, some ghee, some pani. That's what I usually use. You guys have suggested we add some milk, so we're gonna add some milk to that as well. Gonna heat the spoon so we can scoop out some ghee. and just put it there. And once the ghee melts, we're just gonna add the besan in. I have very little left, and you just wanna cook it and keep stirring it on a low flame like this. So you gotta kind of like keep patiently like stirring this for a good 10 to like 12 minutes, and it'll become like a nice dark brown color. Just gonna add in the jaggery and mix, mix, mix again. So now I've shifted from my vlog cam to my phone. My battery is died, but I cannot leave this on the stove and go because it will burn. So I've just switched to my phone. But this actually feels like it's better quality than earlier. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know what is better, the phone now or what you saw before. I feel like this is clearer. Not too much because we're gonna add milk as well, but you just want to kind of mix this. It'll all nicely mix in and become like a nice creamy paste, don't worry. Okay, this is looking good to me. Now I'm just gonna add some milk. Let's see how this goes. I don't know how much milk to add. I'm just gonna go slow because I've never done this with milk before. Mix it in. This is the true experiment. This could go either way, guys. Also, if you were one of the people that recommended I put milk, please say when you're supposed to put the milk, because I just done it at the end because I have no idea. But yeah, it is looking good, guys. It's looking good. Milk is mixed in nicely. So you can see all the water is dried up and it's got this beautiful consistency. And that's it. Time to taste. Okay guys, this is some next level halwa. Okay, so there's definitely a difference in consistency. Like with the it's more gelatinous with the milk, like kind of like slime, you know, without sounding gross. That I saw, like it came off the pan also just like a lump, you know, like it was just all stuck together. It is good. It is really good. Okay. To everybody that said add milk, thank you, because this is divine. And I don't know if you're watching this, please correct me if I should be putting the milk at some other time and I'm still missing out on some halwa goodness in the recipe, but this is so good. Or if I should not use water at all and just do all milk, I don't know. Currently obsessed with Family Karma. That's what I'm watching. Gonna eat my halwa, watch Family Karma. So that's where the vlog ends. I'm gonna eat my halwa and enjoy it now. Like, if watching me right now does not make you want to get up and make some halwa right this moment, correct me, but I think it does. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with halwa tweaks and tips, and let's make this guy even better. And yeah, I hope you're home and safe, and stay well. See you guys. Bye.